Warm affair, then Potamo, near Mahudona, one more a here bieno, a yen so papa, toiletries, and near ma, medical supplies, mattress, and dear quada, and in penny 4 in a toothbrush and toothpaste, mosquito net, no washing and bathing soap, sanitizers, tissues, antiseptics, and in your name, say bro, say beans, say rice, be will be also bet me the abba. Ana se bia wo de abubo suwe no wuntimi nya ne mo pese oye osika no momu ana se cash nso a na wo de afa momu number yi so 0242702080 0242702080 edi ebeba ye mefe development association na wo de abaho na fe yetumi abo ana nso sesa wo de breye wo multimedia haseya yenso yebetumi abo no na ye de amo na wonsa etumi aka wonyokoda eno oda ene mefe ana se wona won potamu ho na ade ato wani de wo bia keto bia nso momo number no sika bia wo wetumi de ato so na fe ye de akwakoboa wo mo ma yemfri sansem no mu na yemonwura eyensem foforo emu Ghana yemampani na na dodan kwa Akufo-Addo de ato Christian Council ne Christopher nyina nim tishu ye wo ma emu se ye koyi nkotodwa nim ne ye bompa ya Yemoma omayi obia na yenkai se enye kendini bia na betena didie so ye kromfo emunchiremu nanado mampani edituda
Abro mampani Akufo-Addo ehia chairman a ono eneda Christian Council ano wode tuninim se womuhwe se womne Ghana fo nyina ebebɔ mpaye na omanfo enyantiase ede afa empinifo a womu eyi omakendifo a omanfo ewa adwene bi se saafo no eya kromfo no
Christianity in our country. We will do so. I'm very encouraged by the responsibility you've taken upon yourself to pray for the nation's leaders. It's an important responsibility, and I welcome very much these prayers. They're a source of encouragement and of strength to me, especially the prayer, which is one which has been unusual. But we want to pray for an understanding in Ghana that not everybody who's elected in this office is a thief. There's an assumption in our country, unfortunately, an assumption widely held that people who come to political office have done so in order to enrich themselves.
Omampeni esandi tudwa se womanfo enya gidie se institutions ahodo bi ewo ho a womo ekutia kete ahihye ene proye na womo so ehwe se aban enwuma ekoso no womo eni edi ekire.
The measures that have been put in place to make sure that this food stays in Ghana, because historically what happens is because of relatively loose arrangements, we produce the food for others to come and take it away. And Burkina, Tunisia, Nigeria itself. This year we're going to be much more vigilant about making sure that the food we grow in Ghana stays in Ghana and therefore helps us also to reduce the cost of food. I believe that we're going to see the impact of that. So there's several areas where prospects look good. And we'll continue to work towards deepening those prospects so that people can have some review.